Hi, it's Jen, Rome Gallery. So I want you to imagine, close your eyes and imagine the gallery full of children's artwork. So I always have all these wonderful children come into the gallery and you see all their pictures, and I've always wanted to do a show with kids. So this March, that's exactly what's going to happen. I'm taking the gallery from March 9th till April 12th, I believe are the final dates, and it's $15 per submission. You can have 3 submissions per child, so $15 each, up to 3. And I'm going to fill the gallery full of children's artwork. I've already got submissions pouring in. I'm also working with the wonderful Shelley from Fresh Vancouver magazine, and we're doing a charitable donation of 10% of all sales, which will go to one of the places in BC Children's Hospitals, and I'll disclose all that later. But I want everybody, if you have a child that's an artist, and I think everybody has a child that's an artist, to start sending in your submissions to www.romegallery.com. And I can't wait to start seeing all the artwork.